welcome to EZ Eatery. My name is Angela and today we're going to make a stromboli. It is so easy. We just threw it in the oven, took about 10 minutes to prep and about 20 minutes in the oven, so half hour total. Looking for a last minute appetizer? This is what you're going to want to make. So welcome in. Let's go put it together. Let's start off with our pizza crust. So I'm just using the kind that you get in a can, and we're just going to roll that out, and it's going to be kind of a wonky looking rectangular shape, so we're going to just try and fix that out and thin it out as much as we can. Now let's add just a little bit of pizza sauce. I'm just going to run it down the middle and just spread it out real thin. We don't want it too thick because it's going to make your dough all soggy. Now I'm going to add in some salami. Now I'm going to add in some pepperoni. Now you can fill this up however you'd like. I'm just using this as an example to show you how to make it. So I'm adding pepperoni. I'm also going to add in a couple slices of ham because I'm not fancy enough to buy prosciutto. And now I'm going to add in some little banana peppers or pepperoncinis, whatever you call them. That's what I'm adding in. This is also really good with a little bit of onion and bell pepper and olives. Yummy. And then I'm going to top it off with some just some mozzarella cheese. Now I have to apologize right here because my shoulder is all in the way. But anyway, I am just kind of using the parchment paper as like a guide to, like, I'm kind of pulling it up and pushing it down, but I'm not like flattening it out. I'm just kind of trying to roll it so it's just kind of like laying on top so that the toppings don't fly out all over the place. So that's my intent anyway. And then so at the end here, we're just going to go ahead and crimp that up so that it doesn't fall out, and then we're going to roll it over on its side, and then we're going to put some egg wash on there. But look at there, you guys, isn't that looking good? So that's just the egg wash, just a little bit of water and a mixed up egg. And don't worry, I didn't let it go to waste. I cooked that up for Georgie, so he had some eggs. He loves eggs. I'm also going to add a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of oregano, and a little bit of Italian seasoning. And our final step is to add a couple little slits in here. We want to let it breathe because otherwise it's going to end up getting all steamy and it's going to be yucky on the inside. So just cut a couple little slits in there. I forgot to mention that I did have my oven preheated at 400 degrees, so we're going to pop that in there. I put 18 minutes on here, but mine took 20 because my oven kind of sucks. Anyway, here it is. Isn't it beautiful? Check it out. I'm super excited to cut into this thing. I did let it cool down for about 5 minutes before cutting into it because I get so impatient and I always end up burning the heck out of my mouth. But look at there, you guys. Oh my goodness. Let me show you how I plated it up. It's so pretty. Okay, here comes my favorite part. We gotta give it a try. It is so beautiful. Isn't it pretty? Dip it in some pasta sauce here. Pizza sauce, I'm sorry. Here you go. Go ahead, take a bite. It's good. Adding in those pepperoncinis really makes it elevates it big time. This was quick and easy. This was delicious. And this is really impressive. Telling you, gonna have to give it a try. Anyway, that is it for me today. So thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And please give the video a thumbs up. That would certainly warm my heart. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching again. Bye-bye now. I'm gonna go pick out